Yeah. So you told me that dreams are of two types. The first one is which you see at night and all. The second one is which you want to achieve. So now just let's
Mhm.
talk about the second dream. Okay. So what is your dream and what do you want to achieve in your life? The biggest
Oh,
dream.
right now,
Yeah,
right
right now.
now, I'm not dreaming. I'm just hoping to be.
Your
It's
what?
my hope. But when I was kid, at that time, I had several dreams. Sometime I wanted to be a scientist. Sometime I wanted to make some unusual thing like plane, motorbike. Sometime I wanted to be a doctor. You know, in our when we were going through the what I call childhood. Is it
Yeah,
the right
childhood. Yeah,
word?
right.
Childhood. At that time, we saw several dreams. We see several dreams. We see several dreams, but
But as we grow up, it reduces. Like, when we grow up, we realize that, yeah, everything is not possible. Your voice is cracking.
I don't know what happened. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Is it
now is
okay?
it okay? Like before it was your voice was cracking, but now it's okay. Now it's fine.
It's fluctuating the network frequently.
Maybe, yeah, maybe there is some issue with your network and all. Okay, so yeah, so I was saying that as we grow, we realize that everything is not possible. Like we can't be engineer and doctor at the same time, right? We can only do one thing. So right now, what do you think? Like what you will be in next 5 years or in next 10 years?
Okay. So that what I told you that now I am not dreaming. I'm just hoping to do something like I want to travel. I want to travel.
Okay,
I
okay.
want to make a vlog like on traveling.
On YouTube,
So
on YouTube.
yes, yes, that is my hope that maybe it will be possible
Yeah,
in
it is
next
possible.
5 years. That is why I'm thinking if I can communicate with different people, then I can start.
Yeah, exactly. So, do you follow any vloggers on YouTube? Like we have Flying V Beast and we have so many, right? I think Gaurav Zone and also. Do you follow any bloggers on YouTube?
No, no, I don't follow any particular bloggers, but sometime I watch blogging video, but I don't follow any particular bloggers.
Okay, okay. So that's your long-term dream or long-term goal, right?
Yeah.
Because it is after 5 or 10 years. And if I ask you, which is your short-term dream, like which you want to achieve in few months or in few years, like 1 year or 2 year or 4 month or 5 month
I
short-term
want to be
dream.
fluent in English. I want to be fluent in English.
Yeah, you can. Obviously, you will be. Uh, Actually, you know what? English is a very easy language. Like I have heard many people saying that English is very complicated language. It's very difficult or something like that. But it's not difficult. It's very easy. You just have to practice because practice makes a man and a woman perfect. So just keep practicing and you will get fluent. So that's not an issue.
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
getting a call.
Now,
That is why now
okay, okay. I
disconnected.
thought like you got disconnected. That was
No,
a
no,
call.
that was a call.
No, no, like if you want to talk to that person, you can talk and then we can have a conversation. If
No,
you want
no.
to talk.
It's not so important.
So it's not emergency call, right?
No, no. Okay.
So I
So,
think we have, yeah, yeah.
what did you ask?
No, no, I wasn't saying anything. It was just like that. You were saying something.
Okay.
Continue with that.
I was saying.
Yes, say.
Oh, English, about English. Yeah. If we start with this, we need what we need is just start. Hello, are you getting?
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
If
Continue.
we start, before starting, we feel that it is very hard. But if we start it and go through it at least 3 months, then we will realize that it is not so hard. But at least 3 months, you have to pay attention in the language because language is not easy, but uh, you should earn some knowledge about this. The pattern they speak, because in Bengali we have other syntax. They have other. So this is the main challenge
Yes.
to
Okay, okay.
overcome.
Yeah, and even you should have that motivation that yes, I can do it, I can learn this. You should also have that kind of motivation and determination towards English. That will help you more.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think now we have maybe I think 6 or 7 minutes for the session to end. So like, is there any specific thing which you would like to ask me about, anything?
Yeah. Are you
Okay, so
getting?
you want your feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, actually I was coming to that only. The first one is that you use a lot of filler words. You know the meaning of filler words, right? Like sometimes you use. So that was your first thing. And second thing which I have noticed is that you said Corona has come, something like that you said. Or I don't
Mm-hmm.
remember the exact sentence, but
Corona
you
Corona
used,
has started. I
you know what,
told.
when you talk about past, like mostly try to use was, were, Corona
Okay.
was, because
Okay.
has and have they are present tense, right? I hope you know that they are, I think, present perfect tense. Yeah, I have known him
Mm-hmm.
for 10 years. Have you
I
basically
got
used
your
in
point.
present? Yeah. So like this were the only two
Mhm.
mistakes or three mistakes, and rest you're perfect, man. Like you're very fluent in English. You can express your words into sentences, and you know how to form basic sentences. So I think that you're perfect in it. So just work on this 3 to 4 points, and then you will good to go. Yeah.
Okay.
So have you had? Yeah. So this was only. So have you had your lunch?
No, after the session, I will have my
Okay.
lunch.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. So you have your. So have you had your breakfast?
Yeah,
Yeah. So
we take we take 3 times meal in a day.
breakfast, lunch, and snacks, and then
Yeah,
dinner.
no, in breakfast we eat meal, full meal, like bhat. We call bhat. It's rice.
Bhat yani
We
rice.
don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't take breakfast. We heavy meal. We take heavy meal in the morning.
Okay. And at afternoon, what do you guys have?
Also, we take 3 time meals, heavy meal, 3 time
So
rice.
every time. So every time you take chawal or rice only, no
In winter
roti.
time, in winter time only we take roti in night. In winter time, আর 4 minute আছে.
Okay. 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 And how is the weather there?
Oh, it's rainy, but now I am sweating. It's very
You're
humid.
sweating right now.
It's humid area.
Yeah,
So
humidity is
even
there.
we
Yeah.
are we are even we are receiving the more water. Okay, okay, bye.
No, no. I'm
Someone.
I'm telling that person. He was
Oh,
hi.
he came
Is he
to
your friend
see.
or is your brother?
No, friend,
Okay, okay.
friend.
Because he just came suddenly, and I was like, "Who is he?"
Uh,
Yeah,
he was a transpasser.
he was a.
And transpasser. What we call the traveler traveling by transpasser. Is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In Hindi,
No, in English, transpasser. Is it a word I heard before in a movie?
traveler,
Transpasser.
traveler.
Traveler. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
another
kind of.
word. Transpasser.
There might be like I have to look. I will tell you in the
Mm,
next session if there is any specific word
okay.
for traveler because I've never heard about it. Might be there because there are a lot of words and a lot of synonyms and antonyms. There are a lot. Yeah. So just you're telling about your weather.
Weather. Yeah, weather is now it's hot, but no sun, no sunshine. It's totally shaded.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah, weather, we can't do anything with weather. It's not in our control or it's not in our hands, right?
yeah. It seems soon we will receive rain. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
Hello.
You actually, you know what? Your video is lagging.
Hello. Is it okay?
No, no, no. Now also it's lagging
And what
only.
is the Mumbai? You so let me disconnect the Wi-Fi. Then I now it is.
Yeah, now you're audible. Yes.
Yeah. I turn on my own network. That was Wi-Fi,
Okay, so now you're on mobile data. Okay, right?
mobile data.
Yeah. Okay, nice. It doesn't matter. Like only thing which matters is connectivity. If you have a better connectivity or a very
Airtel connectivity is better than Jio there. That is why I turned off my connection and I was receiving a Wi-Fi from Airtel.
okay, okay. That's why.
But now it
I don't-
seems that my data is perfect than that one.
Yeah. So now we have come to the end to the session
Okay,
because now it has already been 25 minutes. So yeah,
okay.
it was nice talking to you, Nitish, and I hope
Hmm.
that we will
I'm
finish the
also
next
glad.
session.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you
bye
so
bye and
much.
take care.
Take care.
Yeah, yeah, my pleasure. Bye bye. Take care.